Hello and welcome to our today's video where we have a problem x square minus 6 factorial is equals to 7 factorial into 6 factorial, and from this we have to find out the value of x. So let's start. What we will do, we will not start breaking this expression. Instead, we will work on the right side. We have 7 factorial, which says 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, because we know that factorial n is equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 continue up to 1. Multiplied by, we have 6 factorial. It means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 7 factorial, this is 6 factorial. But we can multiply this 4 and this 2 and can have a 8. Also, we can break this 6 to 3 into 2. So we will rewrite the next step like this. We will like this 7 factorial multiplied by this 6 will be broken into 3 into 2 and 5 will be 5 and this 4 into 2 will be 8 and 3 and 1. Now this 2 and 5, these can be multiplied to 10, and this 3 and this 3, that can be multiplied to 9. So we will write the next step accordingly. This 2 and 5 multiplied to 10, then 3 into 3, this will be 9. Here is 1, 8, that we will write, multiplied by 7, 6, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So here you notice one thing, we have all the terms of factorial 10. This is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So we can write this as factorial 10. So what we get? X square minus 6 factorial is equals to factorial of 10. So we can compare, we cannot cut the factorial signs, but comparing both sides, we can write x square minus 6 is equals to 10. So we will now get this 10 to the left side of the equation, and this will be like this, x square minus 6 minus 10 is equals to 0. This implies x square minus 16 is equals to 0, and we can write this 16 as 4 square. So we will write this as 4 square is equals to 0. Now we know that a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. Now if we consider the x as a and 4 as b, then we have a x square minus b square expression here, which we can factorize as x minus 4 into x plus 4, that is equals to 0. So either of these terms will be equals to 0. If x minus 4 is equals to 0, this implies x is equals to 4, and if x plus 4 is equals to 0, this becomes x is equals to minus 4. So these two are the value of x. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.